Hey there, it's Kay. If you found this video, then you've searched the words congratulations on your retirement. And I don't know if you're actually at the point of retirement or you're thinking about retirement, but I want you to really stop and think truly about retirement and what that means for even your own life. Are you prepared? Do you have the funds that you need to retire? Give it some serious thought. I am sharing with people a program that I'm using to create a retirement income. It's a very exciting program because it's presented in a very straightforward manner. It walks you step by step through a system and how you can get the retirement income you desire using some very simple platforms. And so I invite you to go to startnewcareernow.com. Again, that's startnewcareernow.com. Take a look at the video and reach out to me if you need additional information. I'm available to assist you. I look forward to hearing from you, and I look forward to helping you build and get started building the income that you need for retirement. I'm on a mission, and I'd love to see you win. Take care. Reach out to me. Watch the video below. Have a good day.